Action. Real nigga shit, part 4.
And I don't know why you go with so bro. You roll, but your asshole be hurt. You bitch ass nigga wear a skirt. Pull it up, lay down. It ain't a circus, so why the fuck you wanna climb? You put it to the front and turn it around. It really don't matter, nigga, lay it down. I got the vibes in the butter eyes. What I do to you makes the girl cry. Ain't coming back, I'ma take this place down. Hold up, even erase. I forget to set the nigga. I want to that's the nigga. Yeah, I got a jawbreaker for you. Pay attention, don't ignore the teacher. That's all in your presence. I'll be the one coming with no hesitation. Now you're facing a nigga that's scarier than Jason. And move on to chasing. Damn, no nigga. Where you feel that? I don't want to thicker than the average. Come right back. I'll be the one that still melts the track. Be the shoes, I'm the go to the most. What goes with the butter? I need to toast what you seeing outside. See somebody trying to hop up in the ride. I'ma jump down suicide, but I ain't gonna land on the ground. I'ma land on the car and beat the motherfucker down and drop the beat. I'ma be like, what up, bitch? Get out of the street and on the feet. Because it's time to knuckle up, nigga. Oh, you got a gun, let me get that, nigga. I ain't scared. You bitch, nigga. You ain't cool shit. I be like, what up, Joe? And hit you in your lip, and now you bleed, and now you fucked up. Get your punk ass up, nigga. Shut up. Don't say shit. Take it like a man. Take it like a man. Then I'ma shake your hand. I go to the store and give me an OE. Yeah, give me an OE. I'ma be the nigga ass to the song. That's how we do back in the hood a long time ago. A nigga named Larry Bird try to play funny on the curb, working for and dogs, and everybody knew Larry Bird was a hog. He wanted the money for himself and didn't want to share it, but then when he got fucked up, he couldn't bear it. This was swole, so was the vibe, and this was Larry Bird alibi. I got robbed, jumped, two different niggas, you lying. It was one, he ain't have a trigger, he busted you, and you ain't do shit. He told you to go get him a bitch, and you wouldn't get it, and came right back. Then they got drunk and your ass got smacked. Alright, cut, man.
Oh shit. The fucking cops.